One day a brother came to me to ask about tips and tricks on how to wake up for Fajr, the dawn prayer. And believe me, my brothers and sisters in Islam, the first 30 seconds of my response to him, he immediately interrupted me. And he started asking questions like, what if I asked my mom to wake me up for Fajr, but she failed, she didn't? Will Allah forgive me for not praying Fajr? What if I was awake all night and I couldn't wake up for Fajr on my own? What if? And this is the condition of so many people who justify their sins in order to not feel guilty about doing the wrong and disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The same apply to porn addicts who would say, you know what, this is better than fornication, this is better than zina, this is better than cheating. And they fail to realize that all these actions, watching pornography of all types, وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us all, would lead them ultimately to fornication, to cheating on their wives, to adultery, and so on and so forth. Be careful, my brothers and sisters in Islam, of justifying the wrong. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا تَنْفَعُ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مَعْذِرَتُهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُسْتَعْتَبُونَ. On that day, on the day of judgment, those who wrong themselves, those who wrong others, the wrongdoers in general, their excuses, their justifications will not benefit them in the least, and they will not be able even to appease Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the danger of justifying the sin. So today's decision, my brothers and sisters, is I will never justify the wrong. Rather, I will seek professional help from experts so that I could cope with my addiction. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cleanse us all from these diseases. But this is one of the most important things that you should realize and you should understand very, very clearly, that if you do not find a solution to your problem, guess what will happen? You will be looking for excuses to do that problem, to pursue with your problems. And I always tell to my clients and those people who have issues with porn addiction in particular, list down to me all the excuses that you have. List them down for me, and I will find for every problem, for every excuse, for every justification, a million solutions. But are you willing to go through that challenge? Are you willing to really cope with these difficulties and do that which is pleasing to Allah? That's the question. So decide today, inshallah ta'ala, that I will never justify the sin anymore. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My